Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. We got a new week ahead of us, and we have an Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And let's see what they sent us today. Here we go. Got something big in here. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. And they'll ship this out to you in no time. Whatever it is. We shall see. Big box. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, yeah. Holy smokes. Alrighty, YouTubers. This is coming from Neighborhood Social Coffee Roasters. 80 cups for the K-Cup. 100% Arabica. Flavor of sweet cocoa, hints of plum and lemon. Should be interesting. Got 80 cups, medium roast. Alright, I'm going to open it and give it a try. Be right back. So this is what it looks like when you open it. A lot of K-Cups in there. So you got a lot of coffee supply. So that's a nice size 80 count. And then now I'm going to go in the kitchen and brew a cup and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, YouTubers, here comes the drip. And if you guys want to get this coffee cup, links will be down below for the coffee cup also. It smells really good. Should take about 30 seconds and it'll be done. Yeah. So definitely check them out. Really cool company, and they got different flavors to choose from. So this is the medium roast. Like I said, really cool on Amazon. You can get this shipped fast to you, and a good deal too. So definitely click the link and check out their deals. I'm gonna grab it in a second. There it goes. Finishing touches. I think it's done. Yep. Alright, cheers. Have a good Sunday, YouTubers. Look at that. Oh yeah. This has a nice, really nice taste to it. Nice and smooth. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great weekend. See ya.